so I'm walking to the library with my brother by ourselves. Oh, okay, this is upside down. Well. What are you doing? Those are girl jeans.
I'm trying to make you fall.
Who's that? It's Jake from State Farm. What are you wearing, Jake from State Farm? Whatever you want, big boy.
You're wanted.
Give me a rock.
What? You know what? Fuck Alex from Target. What about a nigga named Omar from 7-Eleven? How are you doing today? You want to let me? Thank you. Come again. Coming this winter, a heartwarming story about perseverance and what it takes to succeed. What? This shit, I'm in. Oh my God, who the hell cares? No! What happened? Back to school commercials. Gotta do what's with my mind to the shit.
Goddamn.
That's not how you dab. You need to put your arms more higher. Here, let me show you how to dab. Let me show you how you dab.
Oh, I know how to dab more. I know how to dab professionally. Okay. Let's see how you dab.
Is it red?
And you gotta eat the food like groceries. And you gotta eat the
Veggie, is it red?
Nope. And you gotta eat the Buddha like groceries.
Wake up in the morning and I dab.
That's how you dab!
Cause in the day I get your wet thing.
That's how you... I can't do this! That's not...
Stop it.
Let me show you professionally.
I just fell. Whoa, okay. I fell on my butt. So. Whew. Okay. All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit. God damn. Okay. Whew. Walking up a hill.